Humanity 1 is finally back at sea, and I'm ready to go on one of our rips for one of the last rip trainings before we head towards the operation. Let's go. Can you quickly explain what the plan for today's training is?
It's a full day training for the SAR team. Now we are training to approach the boat in distress. In this case, the simulation is a rubber boat. We try to stabilize the people, giving the life jacket. Life jacket distribution. After we start to throw this device is a horse's buoy. For someone is in distress, a little bit
Bravo,
far away. We need to be ready in one team.
You're ready. Okay, water.
Water. Okay.
Ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Contact.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, down. Left check. It's the first time that we are working together.
Yeah.
But looks like we go together more than 10 years. I'm so happy.
Sami?
Yeah.
Grazie Rocco!